Hi, and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we'll see how to save and manage multiple drafts in your apps. Let's see how this looks like. I've logged into my Clappia workplace and I will open this vendor app. It's just a simple app where users can fill in some details about vendors and payments. Now, we all know not everybody fills out a form in one shot or immediately, and for that reason, you may need to save your forms as drafts. You can see that option right here. Previously, you could fill in some details in the form and then simply click on Save Draft. This would save all your inputs. So whenever you navigate out and come back into the app loads this draft for you instantly. But now you can save multiple drafts in your app, and this is very useful because let's say you are a field rep and you have to go around collecting customer details but can only submit later. So this comes in handy then, or for other use cases. Please note that saving drafts is only for logged in users, not for public apps like in link sharing mode. To do this, let's say you have filled in some fields like so and clicked on Save Draft. Now to save another one, click on More Options, New Submission, and then click on OK. This clears the form and you can start fresh, either to save another draft or to make a submission. Up to you. So again, I can fill in some fields here, just randomly, and click on Save Draft. And this is my second save draft for this app. Now to access your drafts, simply click on the Submissions tab. Here you can clearly see the drafts. They look a bit different, so you can easily differentiate them from your submissions. Just a quick tip, whenever you're saving a draft, even if it's the first one, make sure you go to the Submissions tab to check if the draft is saved before clearing the form to save another draft or make a submission. If you have too many submissions and drafts and it becomes cumbersome to find them, just use the search filter here. Select Draft, Yes, and then Search. This will filter out all the drafts in your app. Do note that these drafts are only visible to you specifically and nobody else who has access to the app. And nobody else who has access to the app will be able to see them, not even the app admins. So only you can view, edit, remove, or submit them. Other users can have their own drafts and those won't be visible to you. I can make changes and still keep it as a draft. Or I could convert it into a final submission by clicking on Submit. Once it becomes a submission, it will be visible to all users who have the required permissions. Also, you will only be able to work on one draft at a time. So if you want to delete any drafts, you will have to do it one by one. Unlike submissions, which can be archived and retrieved within a specific time frame, deletion of drafts is permanent and you cannot get them back. You can delete them by clicking on Discard Draft. If you have multiple drafts and are wondering which one will be loaded when you first open your app, it'll be the latest saved draft, not an edited draft. And if that draft is submitted or removed from your Submissions tab, then the next latest saved draft will be loaded when you open the app. This feature is also available on the Clappia mobile app. If you haven't downloaded it already and want to try it out, you can do so either from the Play Store or App Store. Once downloaded, all your apps will be there live and ready to use. As you can see here, I have the Clappia mobile app open. I'll just fill in some random fields in this app and save it as a draft. Now, if I go to Submissions, you can see it has been saved as a draft. I can convert it into a submission, keep it as a draft, or even discard it. And if you want to add multiple drafts, just click on More Options, then New Submission, and continue the same way. And that's it. This is how you can work with multiple drafts in your apps in Clappia. If you have any questions while using this feature or on any other feature in Clappia, you can always raise a support request by clicking on the button over here at the top. You can select AI Assistant to give you a quicker solution or select any other option and our support team will get in touch.